everyone, nice to see you again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we're gonna solve some word problems of simultaneous equation in two variables. We know that there are three ways to find the solutions of word problems of simultaneous equation into two variables. The first is graph method, number two is elimination method, and the third is substitution method. But in this occasion, we're gonna use only for the second and the third, elimination and substitution method, to find all the solutions. Now let us see problem number one. The sum of two numbers is 180. If the difference is 95, then find the two numbers. Okay, let's say that the first number is x and the second number is y, or you can switch it, and according to the sentence they say that the sum of it equals to 180. So we're gonna write it as x plus y equals to 180. The difference means x minus y equals to 95. Okay, now we're gonna use elimination method. According to that, we're gonna eliminate the variable of y, so this is become plus, because this is plus y plus minus y, so we can cancel variable of y. This is x plus x equals to 180 plus 95. So this is 2x equals to 572, so 275. So x equals 275 divided by 2, x equals to 137.5. Okay, then after that you can pick one of the equations. I'm going to use the first. So here we have x plus y equals to 180, and here we have 137.5 plus y equals to 180. Then y equals to 180 minus 137.5. So y equals 42.5. So this is the first number, x equals to 137.5, and this is the second number, 42.5. Now problem number two. Rebecca goes to a bookshop carrying one piece of 5,000 rupiah. If she buys 2 thick books and 5 thin books, she must give 150 rupiah more. But if she buys 3 thick books and 2 thin books, she will receive a change of 300 rupiah. How much does one thick book cost and how much does one thin book cost? Okay, let's try to wait a minute. Okay, the money is 5,000 rupiah. Okay, and let's say thick book is x and thin book is y. Then according to the information, 2 thick books, so 2x plus 5 thin book, 5y equals to, she must give 150 more, so this is become 5,000 plus 150, so equals 5,150 rupiah. But if she buys 3 thick books, so this is 3x plus 2 thin books, 2y equals to, she will receive a change. It means 5,000 minus 300, so become 4,700 rupiah. Okay, now we're gonna solve this using elimination method. We're gonna eliminate the variable of y, so we're gonna multiply it with 2, and then this is multiplied with 5. Okay, and here we have, this is 4x plus 10y equals to 10,300 rupiah. And then here we have 15x plus 5 times 2 equals to 10y equals to, this is becomes 23,500 rupiah. So here we have 10y and 10y, so we're gonna use negative, so we can cancel this one. So become 4x minus 15x become 11, x equals to minus, this is 23,000, so this is become negative 13,200 rupees. So x equals 13,200 divided by 11, so equals to 1,200. Okay, now we can pick from the first equation to find the value of y. Okay, here we have 2x plus 5y equals to 5,050. Then 2 times 1,200 plus 5y equals to 5,150. Here we have 2,400 plus 5y equals to 5,150. So 5y equals to 5,150 minus 2,400, so equals to this is 0, this is 5, this is 7, and this is 2. Okay, then y equals to this is 5, this is 25, 5, and 0, so y equals to 550. So according to that, the price of one thick book, so one thick book cost equals to x, so x equals to 1,200, and one thin book equals to y, so equals to 550 rupees. Problem number 3. Two numbers have a difference of 14. 3 times the smaller number is 15 less than twice the greater number. What are the numbers? Okay, now let us see. Here we have small, we're gonna write smaller number. Smaller number equals to y, and the greater number equals to x. Okay, and they say that the difference is 14, so it must be greater number minus smaller number, so we're gonna write x minus y equals to 14. Then they say that we can make it, we can change this one, so x equals to y plus 14. Okay, then 3 times of the smaller number is y, so 3y equals 15 less than twice the greater number, so twice the greater number, it means 2x minus 15. Okay, then after that we can use the substitution method. We just enter the value of x to this equation. So here we have 3y equals to 2 times y plus 14 minus 15. 3y equals to 2y plus 28 minus 15. 3y equals to 2y plus 13, and then here we have 3y minus 2y equals to 13. So y equals to 13. Then we're gonna find the value of x. They say that x minus y equals to 14. X minus 13 equals to 14. So x equals to 14 plus 13 equals to 27. What are the numbers? So the answer is x as the greater number equals to 27, and for y as the small number equals to 13. Okay. Problem number 4. In a fraction, if both the numerator and the denominator are increased by 1, the value will become 8 over 19. If both the numerator and the denominator are decreased by 3, the value of the fraction will become 6 over 17. Determine the original fraction. Okay, let's answer it. Okay, Let's say that the proper fraction according to this case is A over B. From the given information, if both increase by 1, so A plus 1 over B plus 1 equals to 8 over 19. Okay, according to this equation, we can do the cross multiplication. So here we have 19 times A plus 1 equals to 8 times B plus 1. So here we have 19A plus 19 equals to 8B plus 8. Then we can make it simpler, become 19A minus 8B equals to 8 minus 19, so becomes minus 11. That's the first equation. And they say in the next sentence that if both decrease by 3, the value will become 6 out of 17. So we're going to write it as A minus 3 over B minus 3 equals to 6 out of 17. Then after that, we're going to do the cross multiplication. So here we have 17 times A minus 3 equals to 6 times B minus 3. So here we have 17A minus, this is 51, equals to 6B minus 18. Then here we have 16A minus 6B, move to the left, equals to minus 18 plus 51. So equals to, this is 3. This is become 3. So equals to 33. And we can continue to the next slide. Let us continue from the previous slide. We've got 19A minus 18B equals to negative 11, and the second 17A minus 6B equals to 33. Okay, now we're gonna eliminate the variable of B. I think this is multiplied by wait a minute, sorry, this is, it's supposed to be 8. Okay, then we're gonna continue. This is multiplied by 3, this is multiplied by 4. Okay, so here we have, this is 57A minus 24B equals to minus 33, and here we have 68A, this is minus 24B equals to 132. Then we're gonna use a negative to cancel this one. So here we have 57 minus 68, so equals to minus 11A equals to, this is 165 minus, okay, so A equals to 15, because 165 divided by 11 equals to 15. After that, we're gonna use we're gonna pick one of the equation. I'm going to use 17 over here. 17A minus 6B equals to 33, and 17 times 15 minus 6B equals to 33. Then here we have 255 minus 6B equals to 33. Then continue, minus 33, so equals to 200. 222 equals to 6B. Then B equals to 222 divided by 6 equals to, this is 3. 42 divided by 6, 7. Okay, so the original fraction is A over B equals to, this is 15 over 37. Wait, 37, this is 7. Now let us see problem number 5. Given a number that consists of 2 digits, if the digits are reversed, the value of the number will be increased by 27 than the first number. If 0 is inserted between the tens and the unit digits or the ones, it will be 8 1 out of 5 times of the first number. What is the first number? Okay, now let's say the number is AB. Okay, it means B. Do you remember, guys, the place value? So B place for the, this is for the ones. Sorry, ones. Okay. Yeah, and A for tens. Okay, and according to the information, AB equals to, because A is tens and B is ones, so we can make it 10 times A plus B equals to AB. Wait, okay, this is tens times A because A is tens, so 10 times A plus B equals to AB. Then they say that if we are going to reverse it, so this is the reverse, so becomes BA equals to, will be increased by 27 than the first, so this is AB plus 27. BA means 10 times B plus A as the ones equals to AB. We can enter into this variable, so AB equals to 10A plus B plus 27. Then we can make it simpler, become 10B minus B plus A minus 10A equals to 27. And here we have, this is 9B minus, this is become 9A equals to 27. Then make it simpler, become divided by 9, so this is B minus A equals to 3. Okay, and here we have B equals to A plus 3. Okay, wait a minute. Yep. Okay, then because we don't have enough space, now let us continue to the next slide. Yep, in the next sentence, they say that if 0 is inserted, so we're gonna write 0. Wait a minute. 0 is inserted. So this is become A0B equals to 8 1 out of 5 times. So this is 8 1 out of 5 times of the first number. The first number is AB. Okay, according to this, that B places for the ones, 0 for the tens, and A for 100. So we can make it 100A plus 10 times 0, because this is 0, plus B equals to, this is 41 over 5 times AB. AB means 10A plus B. Okay, now we're gonna make it simpler. Here we have 100A plus B, because 10 times 0 will be 0, equals to 41 over 5 times 10A plus B. To make it easier, we're going to multiply all with 5. Then here we have 500A plus 5B equals to 41 times 10A plus B. So here we have 410A plus 41B. This is 500A plus 5B. Then we have 500A minus 500A minus 410A equals to 41B minus 5B. Okay, no more space. Let us continue to the next slide. Before we continue, from the previous slide, we have B. We're going to write it as like this. B equals to A plus 3. This is from the previous slide. And before we have 500A minus 410A equals to, if I'm not mistaken, 41B minus 5B. So here we have 90A equals to, this is 36B. And after that, we're going to enter the value of B, replace it, substitute B, this is 90. This is 90A equals to 36 times B, replace with A plus 3. Then here we have 90A equals to 36A plus 108. So 98 minus 36A equals to 108. Then we're going to continue. This is become 54A equals to 108. Then A equals to 100 divided by 54 equals to 2. Okay, then we're going to find the value of B. B equals to A plus 3. So this is 2 plus 3. So B equals to 5. So according to that, the original number is AB. AB is AB. AB is A equals to 2 and B also, so the original number is 25. Okay. Now look at problem number 6. The sides of a rectangle are lengthened 2 cm such that a second rectangle become 46 cm square greater than the first. If the length is 3 cm greater than the original length and the width is 3 cm less than the original width, the area will become 24 cm square less than the area of the first rectangle. Find the length and the width of the original rectangle. So according to the information, we're going to divide into 3 different rectangles. We're going to sketch it one by one like this. Let me show you. This is the first rectangle with the sides of X and Y. I can say this is rectangle 1, and then this is for the second rectangle. It's supposed to be rectangle 2. Yeah, this is supposed to be rectangle 2. I will make it, this is rectangle 2. Okay, with the sides of X plus 2 and Y plus 2, because here we have lengthened 2 centimeters. Yeah, all the sides. So this is the second rectangle. And next, for the third rectangle or rectangle 3, there's a change. The width 3 centimeter less than the original, and the length is 3 centimeters greater than the original length. So this is Y plus 3, and then this is X minus 3. Okay, now let's try to construct the mathematical equation according to the informations. Now let's start from the first. We know that the area of rectangle 1, oh wait a minute, it's too big. The area of rectangle 1 equals to X times Y, and the area of rectangle 2 equals to, this is, they say 46 centimeters greater than the first, so this is become the area of rectangle 1 plus 46. Okay, then we can continue. We know that the area of rectangle 2 equals to x plus 2 times y plus 2 equals to area of rectangle 1 equals to xy plus 46. Then here we're gonna do the multiplication. X times y equals to xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 4 equals to xy plus 46. Then here we can cancel this one, xy and xy, so the remaining is 2x plus 2y equals to 46 minus 4, so 42. Then we're gonna make it simpler, divided by 2, so x plus y equals to 21. Now let's continue to the third rectangle. We know that, wait a minute, okay, this is the area of the third rectangle equals to 24 centimeters less than the area of the first, so it means the area of the first minus 24. Okay, according to the information, this is x minus 3 times y plus 3 equals to area of the first rectangle equals to xy minus 24. Okay, because there is no more space, we're going to continue to the next slide. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to write from the previous slide before we have x. Wait a minute. To remember it, wait. Yep. Okay, now here we have from the previous slide x minus 3. This is for the third rectangle times y plus 3 equals to xy minus 24. Then we're going to multiply it. This become xy plus 3x minus 3y minus 9 equals to xy minus 24. Then here we can cancel this one, xy and xy, so the remaining is 3x minus 3y equals to negative 24 plus 9, so equals negative 15. You can make it simpler, become x minus y equals 2 divided by 3 minus 5. Then we can eliminate before we have, wait a minute, before we have x plus y equals to 21, if I'm not mistaken, and then x minus y equals to minus 5. Then we can eliminate the variable of y, so this is plus, so this is cancelled, and this is 2x equals to 16, then x equals to 8. After that, we're going to find the value of y. According to this, that x plus y equals to 27. If x equals to 8, then y equals to 21. 21 minus 8 equals to 13. So this is 21 minus 8 equals to 13. Find the length and the width of the original rectangle. So according to the result, x equals to, this is 8 centimeters, and this is y equals to 13. This is 13 centimeters. Problem number 7. Look at the following figure. In the figure above, point P lies on the line AB, so that AP compared to PB equals to 3:5. If point P is moved 6 centimeters towards B, the length of AP is 4 centimeters longer than PB. How long is AB? Okay. Let's say straight line of AB. We know that this is the ratio is 3:5, so this is 3, this is 5, Okay, and according to the information, the ratio, it might a chance for it might a chance of possibilities that is the ratio changes into the simplest fraction or ratio. So we're gonna multiply it by something. It means it might be x. This is x to get the original ratio. Okay, and then now according to the statement that if point P is moved 6 centimeters towards B, it means move means so this is the before 3x, so this is 3x plus 6 because move 6 centimeters towards B, and then this is become 5x minus 6. Yeah, then the length of AP is 4 centimeters longer than PB, so we're gonna write it as AP equals to PB plus 4. Okay, and here we have 3x plus 6 equals to PB equals to 5x minus 6 plus 4. Then here we have 3x minus 5x equals to minus 2 minus 6 minus 2x equals to minus 8. Then here we have x equals to 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. According to that AP equals to 3x. 3x means 3 times 4 equals to 12, and PB equals to 5x, so 5 times 4 equals to 20. Then according to this, AB, the length of AB is equals to 12 plus 20, so we have 32 centimeters. Okay, now let us see problem number 8. Determine the intersection point between the line 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and the line negative 2x plus 5y equals to negative 6. Okay, according to this case, how to solve this problem? Just eliminate them. We're gonna write it as 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and minus 2x plus 5y equals to negative 6. According to this, we're gonna multiply it with, we're gonna eliminate the variable of x, so we're gonna multiply it with 2, and this is 3. Then here we have 6x plus 8y equals to 20, and here minus 6x plus 15y equals to negative 18. So this is plus because we're gonna cancel this one. Here we have 8 plus 15, y equals to 23, y equals to 2. Then y equals to 2 out of 23. Next, we're gonna find the value of x. We're gonna pick from the first equation. Then here we have 3x plus 4y equals to 10. 3x plus 4 times 2 over 23 equals to 10. 3x plus 8 over 23 equals to 10. Then we're gonna multiply it all with 23. Then here we have 69x plus 8 equals to 230. So 69x equals to 222. Then here we have x equals to 222 divided by 96, so equals 315 out of 69. We can make it simpler, become 3 divided by 3, 5 out of 23. This is 23. So the value, the intersection point is x comma y. So the answer is 3, 5 out of 23, comma 2 out of 23. Okay. Now look at problem number 9. A line with the equation of y equals to mx plus c passes through the point A minus 3, negative 1 and the point B 5, negative 2. Find the value of m and c. Okay, do you still remember, guys, the general form of a straight line? The general form of straight line is y equals to mx plus c. M stands for the gradient or the slope, and c is constant. And according to the statement that both points passes through this line, so just enter the value of a negative 3, negative 1 to the equation. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Then here we have minus 1 equals to m times x. So this is m times negative 3 plus c. So here we have minus 1 equals to negative 3m plus c. So this is the first equation. Then point B, 5, negative 2. Then here we have this is x, this is y. Then negative 2 equals to m times 5 plus c. Negative 2 equals to 5m plus c. Okay, then after that we can eliminate minus 3m plus c equals to negative 1, and this is 5m plus c equals to negative 2. Because the coefficient of c are already the same, positive 1, so we just eliminate the variable of c. So this is minus, we can cancel variable c, and then here we have negative 8m equals to, this is become minus 1 plus 2 equals to 1. Then the value of m equals to minus 1 out of 8. Now we're gonna find the value of c. We're gonna pick from the first or the second equation. You're gonna try it by yourself, guys. So I will make it, this is the answer for the value of c equals to wait a minute. If I'm not mistaken, this is minus 11 over 8. So this is the answer. Okay, if you want to construct to the equation of the straight line, you're gonna write it down like this: y equals to m minus 1 over 8x plus c minus 11 over 8. Done. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to keep practicing in math. Bye.